The precision-machined components are treated with an anti-corrosion wash. A robotic arm then carefully dries them using filtered, heated air.
An automated laser profilometer system scans the precision machine chassis, verifying dimensional accuracy.
The avionics modules undergo rapid thermal cycling, from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius.
Here in scene 13, we see the critical FCIU component classification, or Process A, Advanced Machine Vision
High-speed pick-and-place machines rapidly populate the boards with thousands of components, forming the complex logical architecture of the flight control data translator hardware.
The robotic placement of the fully populated PCBs into the chassis, securing them onto vibration-dampening mounts.
control. Meticulously cleaned and inspected under magnification, these specialized fiber optic and copper data links
The critical high-speed fiber optic data cables are connected to the Yak-130 Flight Control Interface Unit.
We need to route this harness directly to the FCIU.
Okay, I've got the soldering point ready. Check the clearance on the MFD alignment.
Looks good. I'm connecting the data transmission cables to the interface unit.
The Yak-130's motion platform utilizes advanced electric actuators, ensuring precise feedback during the automated calibration sequence.
Check the synchronization on the left projector.
Almost there. Just a minor adjustment to the vertical axis. Verify the switch panel indicators.
Reading green, amber, and the master caution is clear. Interface connection confirmed.
Sound pressure levels are stabilizing after the adjustment.
Good, we are within the fixed noise parameters now.
A critical test is performed, measuring end-to-end latency. High-speed sensors measure the millisecond.
Injecting the engine failure scenario now.
confirmed.
The FCIU response is consistent with the parameters. Looks good. We have a clear pass on all parameters.
The leveling data is within tolerance.
And the FCIU reports full communication with the server farm. Operational status confirmed.
That's a clean rotation, very smooth. Cross-check the engine parameters now, they are holding steady.
Warning, engine 1 failure.
Engine fail checklist. Execute. Throttle to idle.
Your approach path here was nearly perfect, right within the parameters.
The adjustments we made definitely paid off.